Other functions. Preparing base materials. Remove paint from the working area and in the earth contact zone using a sanding machine. The earth clamp should be positioned near where you intend to do the spot welding. Attaching the earth connection. Connect the earth cable terminal to the copper bar as shown. With the machine switched off, connect the cables and firmly tighten the cable's connectors. Fit the gun with a spot welding washer tool. Load the gun with a washer. Switch on the machine and set the star washer function, the sheet thickness, the spot welding time, recommended value, default value. Place the copper bar near the area being repaired and spot weld the washer. Fasten the earth bar to the washer using the supplied terminal. A perfect earth attachment will guarantee a good spot weld. An articulated clamp or the optional pointing mass can also be used to fasten down the earth. The pointing mass is recommended for brief operations at low current intensities. Connecting the pointing mass. Traction used in the star washers. Attach the extractor with the corresponding star washer spindle to the gun using a universal wrench to lock it in place. Switch on the machine and set the star washer function, the sheet thickness, the spot welding time, recommended value, default value. Place the star washer on the sheet, press the button and release it at the end of the spot welding cycle. Proceed with traction using the extractor. Turn the washer on itself to remove it from the sheet. Repeat the traction operation depending on the size of the repair. Traction with studs or washers. Fit the gun with the appropriate tool holder and tool, stud or washer. Switch on the machine and set the stud or washer function, the sheet thickness, the spot welding time, recommended value, default value. Place the stud or washer on the sheet, press the button and release it at the end of the spot welding cycle. Fit the extractor with appropriate spindle and proceed with traction. On termination, remove the spot welded stud or washer by grinding. Traction with waved wire. Fit the gun with appropriate electrode. Switch on the machine and set the waved wire function, the sheet thickness, the spot welding time, recommended value, default value. Spot weld the waved wire, holding it with a hand or using the optional magnetic positioner. Insert a single coupling in the end of the extractor and proceed with traction. For extensive repair, use the optional multi-coupling starting with 4 to 10 pins. Lastly, remove the waved wire by grinding or by twisting it with a clamp. Upsetting operations. Fit the gun with appropriate electrode. Switch